Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Shopify for e-commerce success step by step clearly. To configure your Shopify store for e-commerce success, begin by signing up for a Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website and click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address, create a password, and choose a store name. Once registered, you'll be directed to the Shopify admin dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and explore the various options available. Next, customize your store's theme by clicking on Online Store in the left sidebar. Browse through free and paid themes, then click on Explore Free Themes to find options that suit your brand. Choose a theme that resonates with your vision, and click Add to install it on your store. After installing, click Customize to set up your theme elements like colors, fonts, and layout. Upload your logo and adjust the header for a more personalized touch. Now, it's time to set up your products. Click on Products in the left menu and select Add Product to start adding items to your store. Fill in all relevant sections, including product title, description, pricing, and images. Ensure your images are high quality to attract potential buyers. Next, organize your products into collections. Click on Collections and then Create Collection to group similar products together. Add conditions for the collection, or manually select products to include. Once collections are set, move on to Configure Payment Settings. Click on Settings in the bottom left corner, then select Payments. Choose your preferred payment gateways, such as Shopify Payments. Follow the prompts to connect each payment method to your store. Next, set up your shipping options by navigating back to the Settings section and clicking on Shipping and Delivery. Define your shipping zone. Consider offering free shipping to encourage purchases. Now, configure your taxes by going to the Settings tab and selecting Taxes. Ensure your tax settings are accurate according to your To finalize your setup, review your store's general settings. Click on Settings then General to fill out information like your store address and time zone. Make sure to also update notifications to customize how you'll communicate with your customers. Before launching, preview your store by clicking on the eye icon at the top right corner. This will allow you to see what customers will experience when they visit your site. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.